Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial for Swell Enterprise. Today I wanted to talk to you about creating and managing contacts. So to start with, go ahead and sign into your dashboard. If you've already shortlisted the contacts on the left-hand sidebar, you can click on it from there. Otherwise, click on the three dots in the upper header, and then go ahead and click on View Contacts or Create a Contact. So to start with, we'll go ahead and look at View Contacts. And once you're on this page, you'll be able to do a lot of things relatively quickly from this page alone. And you can double click on any of the fields to go ahead and quickly edit a contact, add some notes or some tags, or you can use the quick add function here to quickly add a new contact. Now, go ahead and do that. And once you're done, let's go ahead and open that contact up. And we'll kind of break this page down a little bit. So once you create a new contact, you'll pretty much be looking at a blank slate just like this, and the different tabs here are the different opportunities or emails or forms, social networks, etc. That belong to this specific contact. So this gives you a 360 view of everything. You may want to go ahead and start personalizing this. You can change this top banner here by simply clicking on the icon in the upper right hand corner. You may also want to upload a logo or a user avatar here. You can just click on that to go ahead and drag and drop a profile image in. Now, if you've got the data enrichment, it should try to populate this, but if for any reason it doesn't or it gets it wrong, you can simply just click on it to change that information out. Now, I wanted to break these boxes down a little bit. You can see down below where I've got custom fields set up for contacts in this example. But each one of these boxes generally comes with its own submenu. So if you click on the three dots to the right of any one of these boxes, you'll see where you have the ability to, for example, edit the information, send an email. Some of these would let you send a text message. You can convert this contact to a client or to a lead. Clicking the three dots on the notes box allows you to quickly create a note or add a new activity and create a new task. So to change the views, you can simply click on opportunities and you'll see all opportunities that belong to this client, or the ability to quickly create a new one. Any email, if you've got email hooked up, if the system finds a match from the recipient, it'll show the emails here for you automatically. Any form entries, and then finally, if it's found any social networks, it'll find the social networks for this client as well. So that's a quick breakdown of the View Client screen. Let's back up a little bit and see what it looks like when you create a contact. So when you create a contact, you'll have several fields here. For example, the organization, the address, city, state, zip, website. Website's handy if you want to use the data enrichment feature and you've got that enabled. It also asks you whether or not you'd like to automatically create a folder in the file manager for this contact to try to help keep you organized. Then you've got the primary contact information. This would include things like first name, last name, telephone number, email address, and then any tags. So if you're interested in grouping your contacts, clients, leads, anything, you can start by creating tags. You can simply just type in new tag or whatever your tag name is and hit enter, and that'll automatically create the tag for you. Otherwise, you can just choose from the drop-down list and you can select several in case this contact belongs to more than one tag. But this allows you to essentially group your contacts, clients, and leads in different buckets. We use this for separating industries. We use this for vendor information, etc. You can also quickly add a note as you're creating this contact in case there's anything specific you need to add to this contact's record. If you happen to have a business card, you can also scan and upload this business card, drop it in here, and the system will automatically try to match the business card's information to the respective fields to help you quickly populate this information so you don't have to manually type it out. And then down below, you'll see where we've created some custom fields, and that'll be a separate tutorial video, but this would allow you to see like in our case, we created a fax number custom field and a website custom field. I know website's kind of redundant because we have it up above here, but again, this is just a demo to show you as you build out the system and create custom fields and start working with your data that you have that flexibility to attach custom fields and custom information to specific resources as well. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on Create New Contact, and that's what would bring you up to the Single Contacts page as we covered earlier in this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us in the bottom right-hand corner of the chat support. We'd love to help you.